Greenpeace activist Priya Pillai takes the government head-on and says that she will not give any undertaking or comply with the government's demands. While the government wants assurance, activist denies. Will centre now escalate the fight against the activist?
For an activist facing the government's ire, Priya Pillai stands further isolating her.
That we refuse to be gagged. And we refuse to be gagged. It's totally unacceptable. We will give no such undertaking to the government at any point in time.
The undertaking that the government wanted was that Priya Pillai shouldn't depose before any parliamentary panel in UK, something which the activist claims to have already done.
I was not going there to testify to begin with. I was not going there to depose. What was going to happen there was just an interaction. Since I was not allowed to go on the day that the meeting was scheduled, I did have a Skype call with them, wherein we did talk about the violations in Mahan, both environmental as well as tribal rights violations. And it was more of an interaction wherein we shared about what was happening here.
The government has already made it clear that in the absence of any undertaking, Priya Pillai won't be removed from the lookout circular.
You are taking the pretext of democracy, but you are not ready to respect any norms of democracy. If government has ordered something that you have to take prior permission, you are not ready to do that. If it is asked that you have to give an undertaking, you are not ready to give that.
The centre's tough stand earning rebuke from the opposition, who accused it of clamping down on dissent.
Anti-democratic, whether it's Teesta settlement, whether it's NGOs, it is evident as it's in broad daylight. What happened to the Chappan in Sarkar? It has suddenly got intimidated by an activist that nobody had heard of called Priya Pillai. Now you have a right to question her, but you can't treat anybody like a criminal and deplane them without having any authority to do so.
Is saving 500,000 trees from felling not protecting national interest? 500,000 trees, saving it, isn't it national interest?
Personal ego or anti-national posturing, as activist Priya Pillai goes proving her case, many questions still remain unanswered. Bureau Report, Times Now.